So in a hatchback, you have got 4 bolts with your seat rails, and if I'm not mistaken, all hatchbacks should be a 12mm. So here we go. So we've got the Recaro SR3, SR4. I'm going to take the rails off it so I can put the wedge seat rails on. The wedge rails did not seem to work with these, so we ended up having to do something else. So in here, so we've got 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 is adjacent. Get them undone and this is what you're going to find. Now, you got to remember your PPE and your PPE. All right, so my chief engineer, Joanne, and I have got one seat in, and we've managed to retain the factory rails. Bit of a headache.
It sits nice and low, though.
It does.
Yeah.
It does. I know. I look ridiculous.
Yeah, but he's 6'27".
Yeah, but there's room for a helmet.
Yeah.
I'm not going to hit my head on a pothole.
No.
It's...
See, I'm a normal height of 5'7", and you are like 6'28".
All right, gonna get the driver's side in now, and then we'll see some glam. Peace. So the Recaros are in. Feels awesome. I can finally take a corner. I can finally do a pull. I'm not worried about my ass sliding out of the chair. It is a good feeling. But I have one complaint, and that is I can't use the factory cup holders anymore. So I need to make some. Before I used to be able to jam my drink right here between the handbrake and the seat. As you can see, this is a problem because even with the handbrake down, you got a bit of flop going on there. Like, yeah, because I've got the spare covers there. I don't necessarily want a drink sitting here. I don't know about a drink sitting here. Yeah, I still got to put the cassette holder here, but a tease of this for you in a couple of minutes. I know there is drink holders that plug into here, but I don't like the idea of my drink sitting right there and blocking, you know. So this is something to address in the future. At this point, going back and looking at it, it really annoyed me that I didn't have the cassette holder in there. So I just kind of went back for the 5-minute job to go and do it. thing. Oh my god. The flap door actually opens. Oh god. So much better. So I've got this one, and I've got another one coming, which is the push door one. That's the one intended for this car. Keep championing yourself. Keep chasing excellence. Be good to yourself and each other. Peace out.